All right, this is week module 8, and this week we will be learning about sets and set operations. So for discussion board, this is kind of an extension to the question I asked you guys yesterday or last week. It's about asynchronous model learning and teaching. Do you think it's beneficial? Is it working for you, or do you prefer face-to-face class? And homework 8. These are relatively short sections, so I'm assigning 2 this week. 2.1 is on sets, and 2.2 is on set operations. I created the homework preview videos. If you guys need some hints or help with any of the homework problems, then you guys can utilize these. And this is just a PDF version of the notes I used in this video. Okay. All right, and that's all. All the learning resources are posted, all the additional videos that I think would be helpful for you guys, in addition to textbook reading you guys can watch. And this is just a site that additionally explains on sets, and so those are posted for your use. All of these are due next Sunday by midnight. That's October 25th.